This is a piece of Italian classical guitar called Romanza. I've put together an easy arrangement that still sounds very good to give beginners the easiest possible introduction into playing fingerstyle guitar. Also to introduce you as easy as possible to using the fretboard up and down, and thirdly, so that you will get a clearer understanding of how guitar tablature works. And you can cover these three important areas all while learning this short piece of music. I'm going to play it for you now once, but when I'm playing it in public, I would usually play it twice or maybe 3 times, sometimes slow, sometimes fast. It just depends on the situation. And I'm just repeating it there, and finish on E minor.